Hey, what's up, guys? It's Lo from Nino and Lo, and I wanted to pop on real quick to talk about my Amaryllis bulbs. I know the holiday season's over, and a lot of these bulbs have bloomed during the season, but a lot of them are a little bit late, and they're blooming perfectly now. I've done a video about amaryllis before and the forcing of the bulbs and the care of the bulbs. So I'll just pop that link in the description below and you can watch that to get a more in-depth, detailed care guide for amaryllis bulbs. But to start, you have to choose the perfect bulb. Just make sure there's no mold on the bulb. It's not squishy. It feels firm. You can find these bulbs in a lot of stores now. Some of them are covered in wax as little gift sets in different packages, and they're all on sale because it's after the holidays. So now is the perfect time to go out and grab these bulbs because they will last for more than one season. It's easy to pot them up. You can pot them individually or together. That's not a problem, and they will still bloom. So run out to your stores right now. The big box stores have these amaryllis bulbs on sale. Now I'm going to give you a little footage of what my bulbs are looking like now that they're in bloom. And some of them haven't opened up yet, but take a look.